friends! Today I want to share with you one of my most exciting discoveries on the island of Tenerife, Playa Benijo. This beach simply amazes with its wild beauty and unique atmosphere that is hard to put into words. Playa Benijo is located on the northeast coast of the island in the Anaga region, and from the very first glance, it takes your breath away with its majestic beauty. The black volcanic sands, surrounded by high cliffs and rocks, create an amazing contrast and make this beach truly unique. One of the most impressive moments at Playa Benijo is the power of its waves. The turbulent ocean waters, pushed by strong winds, create stunning waves, making this beach an ideal spot for surfing and other water sports. It's no wonder it's so popular among adventure seekers. But it's not just the sports opportunities that make Playa Benijo so appealing. Here, you can enjoy incredible views of the ocean and surrounding mountains, as well as witness stunning sunsets that create incredibly beautiful scenes against the backdrop of black sands. Visiting Playa Benijo is not just a trip to the beach, it's an adventure into the wild and incredibly beautiful side of the island of Tenerife. Be sure to include it in your island itinerary. You won't regret it. Please give it a like, as it helps the development of my channel.